You think loyalty protects you. Doesn't. Relevance does. While you're comfortable, someone else is learning. While you're waiting, someone else is building. The world rewards value, not history. You are not competing with others. You are competing with the version of you that refuses to grow. And the scariest part? Replacement doesn't happen in one big moment. It happens in tiny, unnoticed decisions. The skill you didn't develop, the risk you didn't take, the effort you postponed. No one is against you. They're just moving forward. Without you. If you stopped improving today, how long before you became irrelevant?